Mayor Rich here is so excited to welcome back Battery Creek Cheer and Beaufort Cheer along with other cheerleading programs from our local area to our school's second annual Universal Cheerleading Association Camp here at May River.
Shake it from side to side, hold that line.
For camp, we've been learning a couple different sideline cheers and then longer cheers for game day, and then we've also learned dances.
I feel like it really helps the teams connect before the school year begins, and we also learn a bunch of material that we get to use throughout the school year, and I feel like it really helps like having a bunch of coaches around and getting that experience from girls that have cheered before.
We had to learn dances and a couple cheers, and I think this camp is like helping all of us learn about like teamwork and like kind of bonding all of us and like all the other teams as well.
UCA Camp helps our programs develop new stunting fundamentals as well as higher level skills and supports our crowd leading techniques for both the sidelines of our football games here in Beaufort County as well as our pursuit to compete at nationals.
I think the camp has really helped with stunting, just working on basic skills but still impressive things to know how to do, and I think it's helped build my confidence in stunting a lot.
We're specifically just working on new skills, more so for stunts. You know, tightness is for everything, rather for stunts, cheers, but majority of it is for stunts so that we can get the stunts, we can, get it up there, learn new materials that we could possibly use.
We've learned a lot of new grips and ways to make our stunts more safe and be able to really hold our flyer up there as well. And then new dances and cheers that we can use. They taught us how to be more tight, how to be more confident, how to show more spirit, and just put on a smile and hope for the best.
We want to hear you yell!
Camp is an opportunity not only for the squads to get to know other teams within the community, but it's also an opportunity for them to get to know each other a lot better. We build skills, we have fun, we get to have bonding time, play games, and it just lets them really see the skill sets and encourage each other and really build and become a stronger, better team.
I really enjoyed meeting other people and seeing what they do and what we do, and it's different, but you also learn from other people, and everyone's just really nice and they cheer you on and they wish us the best because they're just like us and they just want us to be our better selves.
I feel like it's really helpful to get tips from other cheerleaders and know other girls from around your county and area.
Camp, it's been really fun so far getting to bond with the teams from other schools and seeing how great everyone's doing and just how you get to learn new skills and improve everything that you do.
Battery Creek is really excited to come back to our May River camp again this year for the second year in a row. We really love the community aspect of it. We're rivals on football games and basketball games, but during the camp experience we get to connect with cheerleaders and coaches from our county and build those lifelong friendships that they hopefully carry with them outside of high school.
I think it's good to have other schools here so we can make friends with them, cheer each other on, and build a community of all the cheerleaders in Beaufort County.
It's been such a great week at camp this year. We are so hopeful that more programs will join us in the future because our middle schools that attend here help develop our high school programs that allow our cheerleaders to become better athletes and better individuals, and then allows them to potentially look at collegiate cheerleading opportunities.